The first exercise we are about to do is called suspended breathing. In this exercise, we're going to slow the breath way down. You're going to breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Now, when you breathe in through your nose, you're going to hold your breath for a few seconds. Then you're going to release your breath slowly through your mouth and leave your lungs emptied for a few seconds. Now, the key here is not to hold your breath for too long or to keep your lungs emptied for too long. Just a few seconds will do. Don't create any discomfort for yourself. The idea is to keep the breathing slow, smooth, rhythmic, constant. Take deep breaths and release those breaths as slowly as you can. This exercise is actually very simple, but the effects can be very profound. And there are 3 reasons for that. First of all, the exercise alters the rate of flow of oxygen into your brain. Secondly, it can make you very aware of your breathing. Breathing is something we take for granted, although we do it many times a day. And this will bring your attention right back to your breath. The third effect is perhaps the most profound of all. When you pause in your breathing, when you hold your breath on the inhalation, or when you leave your lungs empty on the exhalation, try to keep your mind as silent as possible. Just don't even try. Just let your mind be silent during those pauses. Let the pauses in breath correspond to pauses in thought, in pauses in mental activity. Relax your mind as you do this exercise. So we begin this exercise by finding a comfortable position. Find a place to sit where you can stay for a few minutes without feeling too awkward. Let your body relax into this position. So hopefully you are now sitting someplace where you are relaxed and comfortable and where you're not going to be interrupted. The best way to do this exercise is with your eyes closed. So please close your eyes and inhale through your nose. Take a deep, slow breath and then hold your breath for several seconds. Before it gets uncomfortable, start letting out your breath nice and slowly. And let your breath out all the way, keeping your lungs empty for as long as you can, a few seconds. Now when you're ready, draw in your next breath, nice and slow, gentle, smooth. Fill your lungs and hold your breath for a few seconds. Remember to breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Let your breath out through your mouth, nice and slow, until your lungs are emptied. And leave your lungs emptied for a few seconds until you're ready to take your next breath in through your nose. Now continue this cycle of breathing. Breathing in through your nose, holding your breath for a few seconds, breathing out through your mouth, and then emptying your lungs and leaving them emptied for a few seconds. Continue to do this until we're ready to close this exercise and begin the next one.